and welcome back to Cybernova. Today we are diving deep into one of the most essential tools for ethical hackers, Nmap. So let's get started. Nmap or Network Mapper is a free open source network scanner. It's used to discover hosts and services on a computer network by sending packets and analyzing the responses. Unlike other tools we have covered, Nmap is one you will almost always use in penetration tests. Let's start by running a basic scan. First, make sure your Metasploitable is up and running. If you have any other devices on your home network, turn them on so we can scan them as well. To run Nmap, simply type Nmap in the terminal followed by the IP address you want to scan. For example, here I am typing nmap space metasploitable IP address 192.168.180.242. The results of our scan show us which ports are open on the target machine and what services are running on those open ports. For instance, port 21 is open and running FTP. Port 22 is for secure shell and port 80 is an HTTP port, which could mean that our Metasploitable is hosting a web page. Now that we know how to scan one IP address, let's see how we can scan a range of IP addresses. We can specify this in two different ways by typing nmap space IP address 192.168.180.1-255 or 192.168.180.1/24. The /24 indicates that the first three octets or numbers are not changeable, leaving only the last octet changeable within our IP range. That's it for our introduction to Nmap. We have performed a basic Nmap scan and discovered open ports on our target machine. In the next video, we will explore what else we can discover using Nmap and delve into some of its other cool options. Stay tuned.